Thinking of starting a heritage art preservation studio in Singapore? With its rich multicultural history and strong support for arts and heritage, Singapore is an ideal place for conserving and restoring cultural treasures. First, define your specialization. Will you focus on paintings, sculptures, historical documents, textiles, or mixed media heritage artifacts? A clear niche helps position your studio and meet professional standards. Next, set up your business structure. Most studios register a private limited company and ensure compliance with professional, safety, and conservation best practices, especially when handling valuable or historically significant works. Invest in proper studio facilities, climate control systems, and conservation tools. Precision, documentation, and ethical handling are critical in heritage art preservation. Finally, grow your studio by collaborating with museums, collectors, cultural institutions, and public agencies while building a reputation for trust and expertise. Ready to start a heritage art preservation studio in Singapore? 3E Accounting Singapore can assist with company incorporation, compliance, and financial planning. Visit our website to get started today.